Let's talk about real numbers. No fluff, no hype, just math. I'm going to show you exactly how our investors make money with Siquijor Retreat and why our 5 to 15% returns are conservative, not optimistic. First, context. Wellness tourism in the Philippines is growing 20% annually. That's not my opinion. That's DOT data. Siquijor specifically saw 60K visitors last year, up from 200K 5 years ago. An average wellness retreat in the area charges between $136 to $204 per night. We're positioning at $170 all-inclusive. With just 8 Kubos and a maximum 16 guests, we need only 0.001% of the market. Let's be conservative. Year 1, assume 40% occupancy. That's 1,168 room nights. At $170 per night, that's $198,500 revenue. Year 2, we grow to 50% occupancy, $248,200. Year 3, 60% occupancy, $297,840. Year 4, 65% occupancy, $322,660. Year 5, we plateau at 70% occupancy, $347,480. These aren't aggressive. Successful resorts average 70 to 80% occupancy. Now expenses. We've budgeted staff, 25% of revenue, $49,300 in year 1. Operations, 20%, $39,100. Marketing, 10%, $20,400. Maintenance, 5%, $9,860. Management admin, 15%, $29,750. Total expenses year 1, $148,410. That leaves $50,090 in profit year 1. Now here's how investors get paid. Gold, $50,000 investment, 5% preferred return, $2,500 guaranteed annually. 10% profit share, approximately $3,000 to $5,000. Total annual return, $5,500 to $7,500. 11 to 15% ROI, plus 7 nights free stays, value, $1,400. Platinum, $100,000 investment. 10% preferred return, $10,000 guaranteed. 15% profit share, $7,500 to $12,000. Total annual return, $17,500 to $22,000. 17.5 to 22% ROI. 14 nights free stays at $2,800. Diamond, $200,000 investment. 15% preferred return, $30,000 guaranteed. 20% profit share, approximately $20,000 to $30,000. Total annual return, $50,000 to $60,000. 25 to 30% ROI. Plus 30 nights free stays, value, $6,100. What if things go wrong? We've stress tested. Occupancy only 25%, we still break even. Rates drop to $119, we still profit at 40% occupancy. Typhoon hits, we have comprehensive insurance. Your preferred returns are guaranteed from any revenue, not just profit. The land is worth $150,000 and appreciates 10% annually. Compare this to your options. Philippine stock market, 6 to 8% average. Real estate, 5 to 7% rental yields. Bank deposits, 2 to 4%. U.S. stock market, 10% but with volatility. We're offering 5 to 15% preferred returns, meaning you get paid first, plus profit sharing on top. This week only, Early Bird offer gives you flexible night credits every year forever. Download our full 30-page business plan at Siquijor-retreat.com/invest. Only 5 positions available. When they're gone, they're gone. Questions? Comment below or email invest@siquijor-retreat.com.